Topps just did their GPK launch on the Wax blockchain, and it's been amazing. The card sold out in like 27 hours. I think that the initial set sold out. The mega pack sold out in something like 7 hours.
That's remarkable.
So there's only just over 100,000 of these NFTs that they created, and they all sold out like within a day. 27 hours and they were totally gone. So then it became all in the secondary marketplaces, and the trading has just been like crazy. SimpleMarket, and now this new GPK marketplace. We can show a little bit about any of these Wax marketplaces. So without getting some of that exposure on eBay, some of these people have no idea of even how to buy these NFTs, which has been awesome because I've seen so many new people coming to the Wax chat rooms and just show up just in the last few days asking all about Wax. So really this whole Wax.School thing is awesome, and it couldn't have come at a better time, because I think there's a lot of people who are coming in right now kind of wanting to learn more about this. They're excited. And so yeah, I think this is going to be a great tool that you guys are putting together.
Oh, thank you. We like to keep the educational part fun and exciting if possible. And the most important is simple. So try to teach complicated things in a very, very simple way is the main objective of that. We want people to not feel shy to the new technology, but feel kind of empowered and excited as much as coming in and not understanding anything,
Right.
but
say I want to make a trade with somebody, everybody's account is looks like this. It's just like a random string of numbers, dot, wham, and then there's just like this little GPK symbol. And so I'm guessing that's where the avatar is going to come in. So like this is what your account name comes up as when you log in to say like the Topps app. So you're looking at like all these GPK symbols. I'm guessing that's where people's avatars are going to be, and then you're going to be able to have your own account nickname, so you'll be able to find your friends and trade with them. And of course, this is just Topps app to trade their NFTs, and of course, there's going to be tons of other apps and like prospectors where you can log in with your Wax Cloud wallet and be able to interact with that contract. But yeah, so that's pretty cool. So I'll just show it right now. I mean, it's beautiful. This just got whipped up like in a couple of days, but of course it uses the simple asset standard. So it's using the standard that Lions helped produce. Yeah, they've been all over the Wax chat. They're super helpful too. I mean, the tools that people are building are absolutely incredible. Yeah, we got to give them a shout out. Simple Marketplace yet? This is it. So here's the King Kong Prism card. It's going for $20 worth of Wax, 650 Wax right now. I collected up a bunch of those. King Kong collector. I'm collecting the Kim Kong cards, and I have like a little collection of them going now. So if you need a Kim Kong card, or if you have one, hit me up. I bought these packs just when they went on sale a couple days ago, so they were only $5. But they're already going on like the secondary marketplaces for like 1,000 Wax.
Because they're sold out
like really fast. And so now they are 1,000 Wax, which is like around like $30 right now for these cards that were only $5 a pack. So this is what the packs look like when you first get them. And let's just go ahead and open one so that everybody can see this in real time. This has kind of been a fun thing that's been going on. People have been doing like live streams. I just did one with Hodl Rob last night. And we were opening packs live on the live stream and like gave away cards and stuff. Here we go. Drum roll, please. King Kong, did you see that in real time?
I did.
That's King Kong base card, but so these are that's a base card, Mad Mike. Ooh, we got a prism. We got a prism. We got another base card, and we got the King Kong base card. I love these. This is like my favorite one. So Anna, send me your Wax account, and I will transfer you one of these cards right now. Right after the show, just drop me your Wax account. And yeah, it's as easy as just like going to, I mean, you can do it right from blocks.io. I can just like select my NFTs and then just, pick your NFT and just transfer it to any Wax account. It's just kind of like sending any token, but you can actually see the picture of the card. You can kind of look at all your NFTs. You can do the same thing through the Wax. Through the Tops app, the Tops actual trading app. Enter it in. You could just basically find any of your friends or just find people that you want to trade with, and you can enter their account name here, and then you can just like instigate a trade, and they have to accept it or decline it. Or you can just gift someone a card via the Tops app as well. I have a blast like playing with this stuff. It's like seeing this all come to fruition. I mean, this is what, we've been watching this stuff get built, for years, since before the chain was launched, waiting for this tech to come out and seeing it actually become adopted in real time like this, like actual no coiners coming in, using it and being able to trade these assets without, any prior crypto experience is just amazing.
We waited around and then got to this point of like, well, what happens next? And then now we're being flooded with this is what's happening next. And we're like,
Yes.
this is what we've been waiting for. Yes.
This is what we've been waiting for.
Yeah.
Exactly.
That's so awesome.
And it's only getting better. Obviously, the tools are coming. The new Wax Cloud wallet is going to be like levels above where this one is. Obviously, there's new exchange, these new tools popping up every day around these NFTs on Wax. It's been literally like every day. Like I said just this morning, another tool. This exchange just got launched a couple days ago. It's just been like nonstop development. So much is happening. So many people are actually building stuff. So yeah, it's incredible.
Because it's something to be excited about. We'll do more videos with Bonz.
Love to.
Okay, awesome.
Anytime.
So you heard it first. Well, thank you for tuning in on Wax School. My name's Annabella, and I'll see you next time.